right, back here on Curt's 58 Ford truck. Are you making animal noises over there, Bernsey? Was that a horse?
Maybe. I don't know.
Well, takes one to know one. Anyway, working on getting everything for the secondaries situated first. I mean, everything's fresh, clean out of the bath. Bath time for baby went very well. Just getting all of our screws situated here. La-di-da-di-da. You know, it is time. Put things together. Oh, the fun we have. So that's going on. Alrighty. There's the last one. Alright, we'll get those in. And we will assemble our secondary fuel bowl. Once we assemble this, we need to put our new float in, our needle and seat, and that'll go just like this, yeah. All right, so because we are missing the brackets and the old floats, the customer brought us new floats, but there's no bracketry, of course. Because why bring us everything when you want something done? And this is why I usually don't allow clients to supply their own parts. So I'm getting the primary metering block together. I've put the new power valve in, the gasket. Boom, shakalaka. So I can put that there, put the jets in, and then everything goes in a box and we wait. Although, I might have some, and if I have some, then I'll grab mine and then put his in my misc bin. But first, I'm gonna put the jets in.